This weekend we're gonna be moseying around Madeira Island. And today's guest is Nelson! What's up, dude?
How's it going?
Alright, let's do this. So once you arrive to the main island, there's a couple of ways you can get to the main area, which is Poncha. I'm taking the Euro bus, which is €5 to get there, or €8 if you want to return, just get a return ticket. Otherwise, you can rent a vehicle or take a taxi, which is really expensive. A trail. It's at the edge of the island. It's called the Madeira Ponta de São Lourenço. And it's the first part of our trip. So let's get into it. So if you didn't come prepared for this trail, halfway point there is a spot where you can get some drinks, delicious beers, and some food. There's also a bathroom. They do charge you €1 for using the bathroom. And yeah, it's a really good spot. Get re-energized to continue the rest of the trail.
So usually Smart has 2 hours.
2.5.
2.5 hours to do the whole trail. But it took us a good 4.5, 5 hours. Stop taking pictures and stuff like that. So.
€25 for one person, 30 for two, and 45 for 3 people. I don't know how they fit. They get a different chair, but here we are sliding down. You just gotta wait in line and you pay as you sit down. come to the end, there's a place you can grab a snack, something to eat, some poncha if you want. Also, they do take a picture while you come on the way down, so the pictures are 10 euros a picture. They come out pretty good, so. Taxi cab, they can take it to the top for 20 euros. When we started walking away, they actually said 15 euros, but we're just gonna make the walk. It's 2 kilometers uphill, so I'll let you know if it's worth it. We made it to the top. What do you think? Yeah, cab. I think we're gonna go with cab. If you're not in a decent shape, this walk is a beast. Yeah, take the cab, 15 euros, bargain. Waterfalls that you're going to come across when you're driving along the coast. The Madeira Falls, you can't actually get to it because the road was destroyed by some erosion, and basically there's no road there to get to. Definitely come check out the town of Porto Moniz. It's got really nice pool areas, the water is clear, and it's a perfect summer day experience here. Driving through the 103 highway, which takes you across to the north side, we stumble upon a little aquarium, conservation of rainbow trout. And it's got a little trail and peaceful area to get some snacks and have a good view with some little tranquility. Obviously you can't hear right now because it's bus, but there is peacefulness here. We're gonna go check out some caves. We'll let you know how it goes. The price with the tour is 8 euros, and the price that you go for 30 minutes is 6 euros. We'll just go straight to it. Cases you saw in the water inside the cave, they're actually doing an experiment to see if it makes the wine taste better. It's white wine, and the water in there is a constant 13-14 degrees Celsius. So they're testing them out. I think about another 3 months they're gonna check it out, and if it does, they're gonna keep them in there longer. For the best ponchas on the island, come to Tavern Poncha. What's poncha made of?
It's orange juice, lemon juice, and honey and the rum of the sugar cane.
Salud! What's in the Nikita?
Nikita is the ice cream of the pineapple, and the coral is beer, coral, and sugar, a little sugar. No have
Got some Nikitas for us! Woo! Make sure you try 2 drinks here, the Nikita and the Poncha. They're delicious. We're here at the...
Okay, we are here.
I think it would be easier if you want to do the... What is it called, the thing?
What?
The going down the thing? Guess I need to know that. We're in Madeira and we're gonna be moseying around. No, I'm gonna say it again. This shut up.